Hi everyone, it's Jem from MPX Autos. How are you today? In this video, I'd like to share the work that we finished in the Toyota Kluger Grande, and this one is 2010 model. A bit of a special story. The car is from Melbourne, and the owner already contact our system about a few times before the trip, and yeah, now the car is somewhere about 100 km to our shop, and yep, the customer decided to drop in our workshop for the work, and it's finished. So the thing is, we removed the Grande head unit screen. You already know it has with the navigation thing, and currently the system is upgraded with 10-inch premium head unit, and it has wireless Apple Carplay, wireless Android Auto, USB Apple Carplay, USB Android Auto, running very fast, very smooth, because this one is premium model. And we have one USB fit down here nicely, right in this panel. We have one second USB inside the glove box. We connect all the steering wheel control button, and we assign as the best function of those one to the head unit. And we remove the factory reverse camera and fit in the new camera that we always use, which is Full HD anti-glare Super Night Vision 1, which you can see here. The camera is beautifully at the position where the factory camera was. So currently the camera already connect and adjust to the best level on the screen. So let's have a look here. When you reverse, the camera showing up, you see the bottom screen here is the bumper bar, and then the guide light, and yep, that's how our camera usually show up. Super clear, super detailed. You can pick up the detail, and you can see that is the lips, you know, behind. Yeah, we have trees around the workshop area, so sometimes we see the lips on our floor, and you know, that's all the detail. You can start counting the bricks on the walls far from our door. So yeah, that's how our camera turn on, and quickly when we pull the gear stick, it comes back to the wireless Android Auto screen. The same happen if we are using the Apple CarPlay. So yeah, that's about the thing. And one more thing I want to mention is that the system we fit in, the premium one, has very strong built-in sound processor amplifier inside the head-up, and it actually turned out to bring up the much better, nicer, deeper, clearer and higher performance of the sound system at this moment. It feels like the car is tuned up with a new dedicated amplifier fit in, and also add in a sort of subwoofer into the car. That's pretty much the same feeling that I can try to describe how you come back to the car and feel the difference between the sound system before from factory, just factory, nothing else. And when we fit in the head unit and we tune up, currently the subwoofer level make it feel like really a dedicated subwoofer. Small but not huge, but definitely you feel that. You feel deep, you feel boom boom deep inside. Okay, that's pretty much something that I want to mention quickly, and a lot more things to go through the system with Wi-Fi hotspot, you know, internet hard disk, and you know, other thing. So yep, thanks again for watching, and happy Melbourne customer, and we'll see you on the next one.